In order to have a compliant employee travel and expense program, you need visibility into every dollar spent. But multiple spending channels make it difficult to gather and analyze the data effectively, potentially leading to out-of-pocket spending and leaks in your budget. SAP Concur Intelligence brings all employee spending into a single view snapshot that captures your entire spend and provides the key insights you need to guide your growth. And it does it all in real time with tailored, easy-to-use tools for every level of your organization. Using SAP Concur Intelligence, you can gather the key travel and expense data for a complete picture of your employee and company spend. Intelligence has many pre-built dashboards and over 250 standardized reports to help you stay on top of your organization's spending. Quickly view all transactions, even those that haven't been submitted for reimbursement, so you can manage your cash flow. Easily analyze employee spend, workflow times, expense details, and policy exceptions so you can improve processes and policies. For organizations that have other SAP Concur solutions like Invoice and Purchase Request, Intelligence provides the same insights and benefits for purchase orders, vendor bills, invoices, and all things related to payables. In addition to the configured reports and dashboards, you can easily access data and insights with customized dashboards and reports that fit your organization's workflow and preferences. Set spend alerts and schedule reports that let you control your budgets and avoid unpleasant surprises. Plus, identify hidden costs, answer tricky budget questions, improve policy compliance, and, of course, protect the bottom line. So you can operate with total transparency today and be ready with data-driven forecasts for whatever tomorrow brings. Harness the power of data to drive your business forward with Concur Intelligence.